Hello again, friends. You see, today I have to find a solution or a way to have this kind of parts. You know, these are a kind of washers, rubber washers or something, to keep the mechanical part of the tape recorder in place. So somehow, you see, this guy, it's connected to the case by these rubber stuffs, and they are so gone. I don't know what I can do. I'll try to improvise something. It's hard to say what. Kind of extreme solution. So what I'm trying to do, you see, this ring will be under. Probably I can use this one for a better view. You see, this ring up here will go under the things, but first let me have a kind of middle something. I think this is the middle, and I'll try to push hot glue all around, and the things probably, I don't know, but probably will stay in place there. I mean, encapsulating in hot glue this kind of support, or faking it in hot glue, better said. And let me have another ring on top. All I want to do is to melt the glue like honey and to let it get under. Okay, let's wait. In the meantime, I recovered some LEDs I need for some project. These are that kind of warm color, so they are beautiful. There we go. This is good for further heatsink projects, so I'm not throwing it away, but it's time to see what's happening with our project here. Alright, I think it's good. Let me have a piece of something under, and it's pretty flexible. This is nice. Look what I got here. You see? In there. Now the point is, how can I take this out without harming the... Yeah, I know how. Yeah. And it's out. And look what I got there, people. You see? This is perfect. All I have to do now is to put a hole in the middle, and it's a perfect replacement. And let me take this out too. Yeah. It's pretty nice. As long as I'm here, I'm replacing these diodes, which are awful. I mean LEDs, they are awful. It's a kind of yellow, greenish color. I hate that. I really hate that. That's why I took out all those yellow stuffs for warm color, and I want to fix it now. Fine. Okay. Like 290 degrees. Where is the ring? Right here. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back to the other project. 450 degrees. Okay, let me try to take this out. This needs to be soldered by behind. I have some flux. Okay, now let's have them all in position. All of them will be with the long tab in the middle, like this. Okay, and now we are coming with hot air from behind. That should be fine. In the meantime, we can take this out, because it's cured. Alright. A little bit of hot air. Oh, beautiful. I'm doing two things in the same time. Isn't this great? Let's see. Perfect. Let me get these LEDs back in the bag. You'll never know. You'll never know. Well, let's go further with having those supports. So we got 1, 2, 3. You see? Kind of bulky the first one. I really don't care. It's mine. Perfect. Is it ugly? I don't think so. We can do something about this to make the thing smooth. It's not really necessary. I have to write down if you like my approach here. If you like my idea. Do I have to take that out? Yeah, that's the one. Okay, we are good. In the meantime, let's finish with this guy. Let's see how many milliamps we should have around, you know, maximum 20 milliamps for a long, beautiful, happy life. 28. And if we have this other one, let's see, we are going down to 15. 10 ohms is too much. 20, it's too small. Beautiful, isn't that? Of course it is. We have another one and it's done. And now take the belt out. Take that too. So I'm afraid for problems. I have these contacts here. These are for no tape, because those tension stuffs, these ones, you see, when they are open like that, when there is no more tape, then it should be a contact there. So I suppose it's pretty oxidated. That's why it's not working, but we'll fix it. Okay, this is done. Let's go over here. Okay, let me have the ring out first. Yeah. Okay. This one goes in here. Okay guys, doing two things in the same time. Kind of crazy. But the most important thing is that this is solved. And this should go out. and it's out. Look there, perfect. Factory. Is any one of these too high? I don't think so. Okay, let me have this back. And we are very good. That's about the belts. This one. I got some more belts. Okay, so what we done today, it's trying to fake this rubber stuffs, and I don't know if I'm succeeded, but anyway, it's looking good. Oh, I need to take that out. Look the way they are now, you see, behind, and it's not good, it's perfect. Okay, let me take this out. And this is elastic enough to do the job, and it's out like this. You see, now I have to plant these guys in there. There are two ways to do that. Simply by drilling holes, 6 millimeters. I have a 6 millimeter inside here. Let's see if we can do that. It's more like melting the things. Huh? Kind of out. Oh, we can use it. We can use it. And let's put this in, and this will stay. Oh, this is beautiful. You see? Beautiful. And I'm not worried about these metal thingies. Spacers. Oh, yeah. No, it's fine. This is so perfect. This and this, yeah. Beautiful. So, these guys are solved. There is something else I have and I need to fix today. It's the no tape switches. So, I can simply throw this away because we don't need them anymore. It's done. And what I'm talking about, you see, this thing is here. They should have a kind of tension as long as the tape is there present. But as soon as, let me show you, maybe we can see it. There is a contact down there. That's the contact. So as long as it's depressed, the circuit is open. When the tape is not there, then it goes like this, and we should have a short in between. We should have a short because there is no tension, but that's nothing. 230 ohms. All right, let me take it out. Opening this screw. It's not a big deal. That's the contact. What I want to do is to clean it with some thin sandpaper like this, 600. All right. I was thinking having a kind of tape presence with some infrared light, but I didn't notice these guys here. Now we are talking. Yeah, we are talking now. Very simple, isn't that? Okay. A little bit of spray, contact spray. And back. like now. And when we have tape, and this is very good because the machine doesn't know when the tape is over if there are no metal strip at the end of the tape. So this is the single way to have a control about that. So let me take this out too, clean it and back. Very simple mechanical way, no fancy stuff. Not yet. Oh yeah, of course. Let's have a test and we are done for today. It was a long day, by the way. Yeah, it's running. Everything is fine. Whoa! That one is not implemented, or it's not working like. But what about these guys? No, they are not implemented. How comes? Should. Alright. So here I have the contact, and that's the other one. Is it in the air? This one comes to where? We have a transistor here. Look there. Yeah, we have a transistor. So this thin one goes where? This thin one goes right here. Okay, ground and okay. This green. Oh, maybe they are in series. Okay, so it needs both of them to be. Maybe I should check this electrolytics soon. Let me see if I have this. Okay, I'll take it some other time. That's enough for today. It was a long journey, so at least I fixed the support. You know, this thing is here, back in place. Don't forget, subscribe, push the like button. Thanks to my sponsors, and until the next one, have fun. See you. Bye.